Hi, I'm John, founder and CEO of Mobile Next Level. We are a mobile service consulting and training company based out of Tampa Bay. I want to take a moment to recognize, thank, and recommend a very special partner of ours, Soma and her team at Likerrgraphicz. A year or so ago, I sought to build the world's most advanced automotive mobile service appointment setting system, and I needed a brand design that would really capture the excitement and the innovation of that. So we put out a request for bid, and we received 52 proposals from graphic designers all over the world. We chose Likerrgraphicz, and I want to tell you why that is. First of all, they had a very impressive portfolio of work that we were able to look at in advance. Soma asked some very intelligent questions. She was very intuitive, and she gained context on my project very quickly. Once we started working together, I found Soma to be extremely responsive, each round coming back within 24 hours. Unlike other designers I struggled with in the past, Soma got what I was trying to accomplish. She knew what I was trying to achieve. This project was completed in 3 or 4 rounds, and now I've got a brand design I'm very proud of. So I highly recommend Soma and her team at Likerrgraphicz for all of your graphic design projects, big or small. Thanks.